Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore some useful English phrases and expressions that will make your everyday conversations sound more natural and fluent. Whether you're learning English or looking to expand your vocabulary, these phrases can come in handy. Let's start with the phrase, "I'm all ears." You'll hear this when someone is actively listening and ready to pay full attention to what you're saying. So if a friend says, "Tell me what happened, I'm all ears," you know they're genuinely interested. Another great phrase is "break a leg." Although it may sound strange, this is actually a way of wishing someone good luck, especially before a performance or big event. Next time a friend is about to go on stage or take an exam, say, "Break a leg." It's a fun and supportive way to encourage them. Now let's talk about out of the blue. This phrase means something happened unexpectedly. For instance, out of the blue, I got a call from an old friend. It's perfect for situations that catch you by surprise. Similarly, if someone says, "It's raining cats and dogs," they're describing a heavy downpour. It's a playful way to talk about really rainy weather and adds a little fun to the conversation. Another common expression is "hit the nail on the head," which means someone is exactly right about something. So if a coworker describes a problem perfectly, you can say, "You hit the nail on the head." Lastly, there's "bite the bullet." This means doing something challenging or unpleasant because it has to be done. So if you're nervous about a dentist appointment, but go anyway, you're biting the bullet. These are just a few examples, but they're widely used and can really add some color to your daily conversations. Give them a try, and soon you'll be speaking like a native. Please subscribe for more videos.